A man accused of stalking Queensland Assistant Minister Brittany Lauga has walked free from court. A magistrate ruled the evidence against Petros Khalesirad wasn't strong enough.
Citizen journalist Petros Khalesirad is convinced there's a cover-up going on and claims Keppel MP Brittany Lauga is at the centre of it.
I think we have a right to ask questions about government decisions or indeed policy decisions about members of parliament. I think it's everyone's obligation to do that.
He walked free from a Rockhampton court today, cleared of stalking the Labor Assistant Minister. He was charged after making posts about Ms Lauga on social media and publishing her phone number and a photo of her house online. A Rockhampton magistrate found there wasn't enough evidence to prove the charge, but some of his posts were puerile and malicious. Mr Khalesirad's lawyer told the court he was investigating if Ms Lauga's husband had defrauded a building company of more than $250,000 and if she struck a deal to pay the money back. In court, Mr Khalesirad's lawyers argued the charges were an attempt to silence him. Ms Lauga has always denied any wrongdoing. Brittany Lauga was defiant as she faced several hours of cross-examination, telling the court the social media posts made her anxious and she felt Khalesirad had her under constant surveillance. In a statement this afternoon, she said she was incredibly disappointed by the court's decision and politics can be a nasty business. In the past decade, Mr Khalesirad has tried to build a reputation in central Queensland for holding politicians to account.
I'm on a very important mission today. Nothing like chasing goats or cannibal conservationists.
In September, Mr Khalesirad was controversially signed into Parliament by former MP Rob Pyne while Ms Lauga was there.
It seems to me that stalking is just a code word here for someone who's tried to investigate wrongdoing.
Mr Khalesirad has applied for a refund of his legal costs. Paul Robinson, ABC News, Rockhampton.